Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to manage USB device settings for sites on GX. The first thing you need to do is to open up your settings by, I prefer, using the keyboard shortcut of Alternate and P. So once you've done this, to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down until you see sites. Let's go back. Scroll all the way down until you see site settings, click on it, and then scroll all the way down until you see additional permission. Click on the arrow to open up additional permissions, and here you can see USB devices, so click on it. Now, sites usually connect your USB devices for features like printing a document or saving to a storage device. Now you have to set the default behavior here. If you already have USB devices, you'll see them appear here, but as you can see, I don't have USB devices plugged to it. That is why it's saying no USB devices found. Now you have to set the default behavior, that is, settings that sites automatically follow when you visit them. Now if you want site hero to ask to connect your USB device, leave this turned on. If you do not want to allow sites to connect your USB device, choose this. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.